Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Marumo Gallants 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Don't forget to subscribe. Also become a member. I'm joined by my brother Libiso Kimangutsoko Kai.
Siyabonga Mahaye from Midrand branch.
Yes, my brother.
I'm not angeke ngizobe mude. Into engizoyikhuluma kuvuma.
Khuluma na.
Uvuma akabuyele kukhune ayothatha ama lesson.
Yeah.
Ukuba igoalkeeper.
Yeah.
Again, uNabi akangahambi kodwa into okumele ayenze i1 akayifundise ukuthi ufuna isupplier ku midfield yakhe like uvalela umuntu ofana noMahlowu uMahlowu uyu umuntu oyisupplier kuma midfielder wethu uMahlowu uyakwazi ukumaka uyakwazi ukupasa i-striker uyakwazi ukupasa ama-side so sinide umuntu ofana nalo you can put defensive midfielder i2 egroundini while ushota ngomuntu osupply ama-strikers at the end of the day sizothi uChiva Viro akaperform uMorris akaperform manje ulep akadlala ibhola because of akanayo supply anamuntu odistributor amabhola yebo leyo ngizomblame ngayo. I'm not saying he must go, but into engimblame ngayo akakacabange kahle because lo muntu lo yabo lo muntu uMahlowu look at him egroundini uyakwazi ukubheka any player ipass yakhe pass and funi ball into eyenziwa uzwane ku Sundowns sifuna iplayer fana leyo not ukuthi wena mawulokhu ngamawuthola ibhola is only thinking ukuthi as long ngiphasile pass and ubuka ispace ukuthi ngiphasa lo muntu ispace ibhola ngizolithola kuphi yebo akasinike ukuaccepta uMahlowu ukuthi uMahlowu he can play better as a attacking midfielder
akhiphe bani
ayi le ayibuzwa Yusuf Mati mina I think I disagree nokuthi bamsign extend contract yakhe if extend contract yakhe abamnike enye position not le ayidlalayo le position ayidlalayo I see umuntu okumele aphasa ama back pass iposition ayidlalayo as attacking midfield umuntu okumele asupply ama strikers asupply ama winger uyangizwa Brian
thola man
and then ama player we Chiefs awazama ukukhuphula amagaus umthetho akakhuphula amagaus umthetho akakhuphula amagaus if uphethe ibhola manga trap ibhola if ngifuna ukuphasa I mustn't have doubt unama doubt mayifuna ukuphasa ibhola and then lento le is killing us only two message Vuma go to Kune and take license Yusuf Mati no Nabi you must learn to play Mahlowu
George
as an attacking midfield
thank you
I'm done
I'm shining his hand bafethu